What's up, guys? If you want to learn how to take that to this and keep on watching, first thing we're going to do is we're going to crop it. I don't like that little space in between his two legs, so we're going to crop that out. Perfect. Next, we're going to go here, click this, click that, and we're going to bring down the highlights and the whites. We're also going to reset the shadows and the blacks, and we're going to bring up the shadows. And then we're going to go ahead and select his face and sharpen that a little bit. Next, we're going to start a new mask, and we're going to highlight all the stuff around him. And first I do big chunks and then I do the smaller ones and get the real detailed in there. So I have auto mask on, and what this does pretty much is it uses magic and it selects the stuff that you want to select and doesn't select the stuff that you don't want selected. Sometimes it makes a mistake, like right there. So I do it in little chunks so I don't lose all my progress and I can just restart. Pretty much what we're doing is we're going to make sure that everything behind him is selected and that he is standing out separately from the image, and then we're going to go ahead and fix him in a little bit. So there we go, we did it. Congratulations. Next, we're going to bump the saturation up, and we're going to pick a color, and then, wow, looks nice. We're going to bring the whites down. Nope, that's not right. Bring the highlights down, and temperature lower. Fix the saturation again, and none of this matters because we're going to fix it again later. Whew, we did it. Now we're going to do another mask, and this time we're going to use auto select again, and this time just him. So I want him to stick out a little bit more from the background than he already is, so we're going to select every little bit about him. Yay, wow, magic, honestly, crazy. Oh, we're still going. Yes, beautiful. Whew. And we're going to bring the highlights up, and we're going to bring the shadows down just a little tiny bit, and we did it. So now we realize, wow, we really don't like that. We're going to fix the highlights because it still looks muddy, and we want it to be bright and beautiful. So we're going to fix the highlights and bring them up. Cool, maybe, but it still needs work. We're going to bring the saturation up because we realized that was an issue. And the temperature down, maybe just a little bit.